Hello everyone. In today's quick video, we are going to learn how to change Celsius to Fahrenheit in Frameo Digital Frame in 2026. For that, on your Frameo Digital Frame, you just have to simply tap on the screen. Now, as soon as you tap on it, you are going to see a menu pop up on the top. So among the given options in it, you just have to simply look for the option of settings. When you are inside the settings of your Frameo Digital Frame, among the given options, simply tap on the option of display. Over here inside display, you are going to see the option of weather or temperature settings. When you are inside it, you just have to basically take a look at the temperature unit option. Now, when you tap on the option of temperature unit, you are going to see two further options. The first is of Celsius and the second one would be of Fahrenheit. So by default, Celsius will be selected, but since you want to change it to Fahrenheit, you just have to simply tap on the Fahrenheit option, and this way it is going to be changed very easily. Now, if for any reason you don't see this particular option, just make sure that your frame is connected to Wi-Fi properly. Just make sure that the weather feature is also turned on, which you can basically turn on by going to the settings, and your Frameo software should also be up to date. You can check the updates by tapping on this about section, and here you will see the update option if there are available. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.